Hi, thanks for your order. I'd like to take a moment before I start working on your order to explain a few things. Please don't be concerned. This time that I'm spending and explaining is not part of the actual time you're paying for your review. First, I'd like to mention in advance, I'm located on a busy street. I do have a special noise canceling microphone, but I do apologize in advance if you're hearing any background noise. I'm doing the best I can, and I hope my dog Cutesy doesn't start barking. Two, I'd like to mention when it comes to these short types of reviews of 5 or 10 minutes, even 15 minutes, it's usually pretty difficult for me to do any serious reading in terms of the text. I actually do have another gig. My main gig is as a web text writer or a web text editor. The reason I do these review gigs is so I can meet the owners of websites and actually work on their text in terms of correcting it for spelling errors, grammatical errors, punctuation errors, syntax, things like that. So if I see any major things going on your page, of course I'll be happy to tell you, but I won't be able to really read and focus on the actual text in terms of that kind of editing. Let me know if you're interested in that type of service. Last, I'd like to mention, I'm going in completely cold, or as cold as possible, on your website. I haven't looked at it before, I haven't seen it before, and I don't know anything about it except for the name of your site that you told me and whatever other information you've given me, if you've given me anything else. So you're going to be seeing my true and real reaction for the first time. Okay, hi, I'm at your site. It's just downloading. Live casino bitcoins. Play now. Well, I don't know a thing about bitcoins or gambling, so maybe it would be nice to know what bitcoins are. Bit. Well, I guess if I'm here, I would know. Yeah, it looks like what it is. A site. Uh, oh, well, the worst part about it, to be honest with you, when I would be on an online betting site, I would want to see it's secure, and I see here it's not secure, so you've lost me right now. It's like some guy in his basement, I would need to, any time I would need to see that this is a secure site. So there you go with that. That's cashier. I don't really know how it all, let's see, what are the advantages of using bitcoins? Yeah, I'm not a Bitcoin person yet. So, and as I said, I don't have the time to, with these 5-minute reviews, to read all this information, but you asked about a newbie. So as a newbie, you didn't really get me yet. As a newbie, if I'm your target audience, then you want to have, let's go back here. Let's go back, like when I first downloaded the site, let's like all here, like you want one of these things to be like, learn all about bitcoins, something that you can immediately like get someone like me. Are you new to bitcoins? Let us explain, not just the help button. The help button's all right, but I think you want to get something out there really fast, especially if it's for newbies. And frankly, professional people who are really into this and know it, they wouldn't come to a site that's not secure, I would think, and they wouldn't join. So to me, that's what you have to sort of get going. I mean, it's all nicely written from what I can see. It looks professionally laid out. Let's see. It is pretty obvious that it's one model here using, so, oh, I think it's one model or maybe two models. I don't know. And yeah, I mean, this is a lot of information down here. It's, kind of, yeah, it's like I don't see anything particularly unique about it in the sense that, like, it seems like one of those sites that pops up, like, kind of like when I'm on another site, or like I get junk mail about it and I never go. But it is well laid out. And I just want to see promotions here. If at some point you want me to really read this stuff, that might be an example of, how this could be explained. let's see. I'll read a little bit. It's found your course behavior in most of the leaves you a first deposit bonus in form of 15 on the additional. Yeah, fund mode decided to bring real money. Don't forget to take it. Okay, well, it seems like it's pretty much spelled out and interesting. Again, right, for me, the reason you've lost the whole thing is because it's not secure. So, let's see what happens when I hit this. Oh, is it going to be? Are you going to really come? Calling online representative? Let's see. I'll just say that I'm testing Andrea from Fiverr reviewing the site. But I see it's not really happening. So that's another thing. Like, is it happening? It's live chat. If you're going to have live chat, you got to be there. Someone's got to be there. Let's see what happens when I send this message. Oh, so I'm chatting with Sam? Okay, well, I don't know what that code is there, but let's see if, oh, is it real? Are you really there? Are you really there? Okay, well, as you can see, the 5 minutes are almost up, so I'll wait and see if I get a response from Sam. But yeah, if at some point you'd like me to take a look at the site again after you got it secure, or you want me to play with it in a way as a user and take that kind of time, let me know. I see I am not getting a response to my instant chat, so that makes me think that hello, how may I help you is one of those fakey things. So Sam is typing. I should have, let's see what Sam is typing. Let's see. I'll just take a second. No, I'm just going to say, no, it's just Andrea testing your site from Fiverr. Thanks. Okay, I'm done with this for now. Hope this helps. Let me know what you think. It was short, but sweet. Whoops. Let's see how I shut this off now.